There are two types of approval processes. One is set up against the timekeeper and the other is set up against specific matters. Let's first take a look at approvals required for a timekeeper's entries. To enable or view the Manage Approvers button under User Profiles, approvals must first be enabled under Time and Settings. So let's go ahead and click on Time Settings and enable Time Approvals by Timekeeper and click Save. Now once we've done that, you're going to want to head under Account, Timekeepers, and click on the name of the timekeeper. Click on Manage Approvers. The system will automatically generate the levels for you according to the order in which you create the timekeepers. When the level 1 approver approves the time entry, it will then be made available to the level 2 approver, and so on. The approver can be selected from here, so this is the timekeeper that will be approving time for this timekeeper here, Robin Katz. And then we have the approver type. So is this an approver for time entries submitted by this timekeeper, expense entries submitted by this timekeeper, or both? Again, you'll want to make sure in order to select both or even just expense that under expense and settings you have the approvals settings enabled. And then you can toggle this approver as active or inactive as you need from this checkbox here. Next up, let's take a look at approvals required for entries submitted against a specific matter. Again, first off, head under time or expense settings or both and ensure that you have this checkbox enabled. Enable time approvals by matter. Click Save. And again, I'm going to do the same thing under expense settings and click Save. Now head under the matter, and over here you can see these check boxes for require approval for time, expense, or both. So I'm going to go ahead and click on both, and I'm going to click Save. Now that I've clicked Save, I can manage approvers directly from under this matter here. And again, we have the same level system. You can select the approver type, and activate or deactivate for this matter.